Hello, YouTube. Yeah, this is a big deal. Today, it's Tuesday, April 21st, which means even more good news. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the good news, Disney Park fan? We're now just 10 days away from my May 2026 London, UK vacation. It feels like just weeks ago we were coming back, I was coming back from Texas, and now I'm off to London. Last time in the video, a few days ago, when it was 2 weeks before the Dallas trip on April 17th, I showed you all the Adidas book bag I got. But now, I got something else I want to show you. This is coming with me as well. My mom got this one for me. She does a remote job for a hospital. But yeah, I'm not going to use my fanny pack on the trip. This fanny pack is not coming to London. It doesn't look right in London. It's not really something you do in Europe, apparently, according to what my mom says. And she's traveled, so she knows best. I have this shoulder pouch. You adjust it here, rebuckle it, and it straps around your shoulder. Incredible, honestly. And it has a few pouches. It has this pouch, this one, which is then this one, and this one, which is the main pouch. I'm going to be storing my camera in here during the time I'm going to be making the videos. But yeah, that's the next step. I'm showing you that. We're not going to use a regular fanny pack because it's just not something you do apparently in the UK. And my mom has traveled, so she does know quite a lot about traveling and what's normal in the country, what isn't. But if she's wrong, or if you have any other advice for me, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that is all I wanted to share with you today. And that is the end of this, the end of this video. I'm very excited. Just 10 days away. And the next video you see will be right around the corner when I'm counting down to a week away, which will be on April 24th, Friday. So yeah, 10 days to go. And it's all about to happen very, very soon. I don't even know what to say right now except hallelujah. But thank you for watching this video, everyone. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of my latest videos. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to smash that like button, share, spread the word out to all your friends. And cheerio, as they say in London, just 10 days. It's my dream for 11 years. And I will see you all in the next video adventure. So as I say in the UK, cheerio!